Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your crypto accounts with PayPal, full guide step by step clearly. Creating a secure environment for your cryptocurrency accounts is crucial. Using PayPal can significantly enhance your security. First, ensure you have a verified PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and log in. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create an account, ensuring you provide accurate information. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication. Go to your account settings and find the security options. Select the two-factor authentication feature and follow the prompts to activate it. Next, link your PayPal account to your cryptocurrency. Log into your chosen crypto exchange, like Coinbase or Binance. Navigate to the Payment Methods section within the exchange. Select PayPal from the payment options available. Follow the instructions to link your PayPal account. Verify the linkage by checking for a confirmation email from PayPal. Now, fund your PayPal account if you haven't done so already. You can add funds via a linked bank account or by transferring money from other sources. Once your PayPal account is funded, you can use it to buy cryptocurrency. When making purchases, ensure you always use PayPal for transactions. This adds a layer of security since PayPal offers buyer protection. Avoid storing large amounts of cryptocurrency on exchanges. Instead, transfer your digital assets to a secure wallet. Opt for a hardware wallet for the best security. Regularly update your passwords for both PayPal and your crypto exchange. Make sure to use strong, unique passwords. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Always beware of phishing attempts and suspicious emails. Verify the sender's address and never share your login credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.